Hey, today I will teach you how to make a dialogue system. First, install the plugin from the link in the description. Once that's done, add the dialogue manager to the scene. This is one of the menus that we will be working with. There are many options that we can use. You can also change the style. Add the dialogue node to the dialogue manager. These are the messages. This is the documentation. Pause if you need to. This starts the dialogue. For choices, duplicate the dialogues and set up the messages. Connect this signal to your scene. This function continues to a specific dialogue. To translate, open the localization manager. This is the menu that we will be working with. This the main language, the one used in your project. The rest are translations. This is the documentation. You can add a new language by adding the language code and the texts. Add the localization manager to the dialogue manager. This translates to a specific language. Without it, it automatically translates to the language of the device. Thanks for watching.